add up, make sense, calculate. The expenses just don't add up. All the clues started to add up to a bigger picture. Back up. Support or make a copy of data. Don't forget to back up your files. Make sure to back up your work before the deadline. Break down. Stop functioning. Become emotionally upset. My car broke down on the way to work. Her car broke down. Bring up. Mention a topic. She brought up an interesting point in the meeting. Call off. Cancel something. They had to call off the picnic due to rain. They called off the event. Carry on. Continue doing something. Please carry on with your work while I'm gone. Check in. Register upon arrival. We need to check in at the hotel by 3 p.m. Check in at the desk. Check out. Leave a hotel, examine. We need to check out of the hotel by noon. Come across. Find unexpectedly. I came across an old photo album in the attic. Come up with. Think of a solution or idea. She came up with a great idea for the project. She came up with a solution. Cut down. Reduce or cutting. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. I'm cutting down the tree. Drop off. Deliver someone or something. Can you drop me off at the station? I'll drop you off. End up. Finally reach a state or place. We ended up going to a different restaurant. We ended up lost. Fill out. Complete a form. Please fill out this application form. Get along. Have a good relationship. They get along really well. Get by. Manage with difficulty. It's hard to get by on a low salary. Give up. Stop trying. I won't give up on my dreams. Don't give up hope. Go over. Review or discuss. Let's go over the details again. Let's go over the plan. Grow up. Mature. Become an adult. I want to travel the world when I grow up. I want to travel when I grow up. Hang out. Spend time relaxing. Do you want to hang out this weekend? We'll hang out later. Hold on. Wait a moment. Hold on, I'll be right back. Hold on a second. Keep up. Maintain the same pace. I can't keep up with his fast talking. Look after. Take care of. Can you look after my dog while I'm away? She has to look after her younger siblings while her parents work. Make up. Invent a story or reconcile. They made up after their argument. Look for. Search for. I'm looking for my keys. Look for. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys. Run into. Meet unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the store. Get together. Meet for a purpose. Let's get together this weekend. Go out. Leave home for social activities. We're going out for dinner tonight. Break up. End a relationship. They decided to break up after 2 years. Zoom in. Make something appear larger. Zoom in on the picture to see the details. Zoom in on the picture to see the details. Write down. Record in writing. Please write down your contact information. Please write down your contact information. Work out. Exercise or solve a problem. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. Wake up. Stop sleeping. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Think over. Consider carefully. I'll think it over and let you know. I'll think it over and let you know.